Here in the UK this year, the weather has been diabolical, and if you want to capture an image of the Milky Way so far, you have to be ready to move at a moment's notice. So at 2 o'clock the other morning, I woke up, checked my weather apps, and saw that the moon would be setting in an hour, and that there was a chance, a slim chance, the clouds might clear. So I made my way down to the beach, walked down the steps by the cliff. Sometimes with a climate like ours, you just have to take your chances. And often, you go home disappointed, but you try again and again. Because the only way you ever get images of the Milky Way is perseverance and a little bit of insanity. Like going onto the beach when it's 1 degree Celsius and everyone else is tucked up warm in bed. As this was a slim chance of capturing the Milky Way, I took my lightest setup I've got, an old battered Sony A7S, and a lightweight carbon fibre tripod. Once I'd made sure it was secure in the sand, got my camera out, hung my camera's messenger bag off the bottom of the tripod to help weigh it down. And got everything ready. Because it was a location I knew well, I knew where the Milky Way was going to be. And when you have such short notice, it always pays to go somewhere familiar and get the best you can. So, with my camera sitting on the tripod and a slight hint of the clouds clearing, I waited for the moon to go and the clouds to part. And I was lucky.